This one goes to Bihar Agriculture University, Sabor. Dr. Ajoy Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor, being received by Dr. Ravindra Sohane, Director, Extension and Education.
Thanks to Scotch Group for recognition, and credit goes to entire BAU and ICDS team. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. The Scotch Order of Merit semi-final certificate. Here we go with the announcement. Inviting Dr. Ajoy Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor of Bihar Agricultural University from Sabor, for the project Apni Kyari Apni Thali.
Myself, Dr. R.K. Sohane, Director Extension Education, on behalf of Bihar Agriculture University, I would like to thank Scotch Group who has chosen Bihar Agriculture University model Apni Kyari Apni Thali, an innovative model for nutritional security of rural women and children, in collaboration with ICDS and technical collaboration to bring together existing KVK and Anganwadi center and overcome nutritional deficiency of protein and micronutrients through diversification for food and creation of awareness to the among children, pregnant and lactating women in rural area. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Sohane, for receiving the Order of Merit on behalf of the Vice Chancellor.
May I please invite Dr. Ravindra Sohane, Director, Extension and Education, Bihar Agricultural University.
Thank you, Rohanji, for giving opportunity for this large e-gathering. Definitely, Bihar Agriculture University Sabor has taken an initiative to address malnutrition through agricultural intervention, Apni Kyari Apni Thali, in collaboration with ICDS, Department of Social Welfare, Government of Bihar, and technical collaboration with UNICEF. This initiative aims to bring together existing Krishi Vigyan Kendra. As we know that in every district we have one Krishi Vigyan Kendra and Anganwadi Kendra centers, and overcome nutritional deficiency of protein and micronutrients through diversification for food and creation of awareness to the among children, pregnant and lactating women in rural areas. So, with main objective to diversification of food intake among rural women and children through establishment of Nutri Garden and under Anganwadi Kendras, ensuring quality nutrition among malnourished children and mothers through mushroom-enriched food in their diet, impact of nutrition education package on malnutrition among rural women and children. We have taken this program in 4 districts on pilot basis in Patna, Nalanda, Pune, and Khagaria district through existing KVK to bring the perceptible improvement in the nutritional security through multi-pronged approach, awareness of nutritional education, incorporation of mushroom to daily diet, and enhancing diet diversity through establishment of Nutri Garden at Anganwadi Kendras was the core strategy. As we know, earlier this Anganwadi Kendra's land is not used for any purpose, now being used for Nutri Garden as well as mushroom production. So 50 Anganwadi Kendra we have selected in each district, and a strong linkage was established between respective KVK and Anganwadi Kendra with the help of ICDS Department of Bihar. And we see the impact that establishment of Nutri Garden has significantly enhanced the daily consumption of nutritious vegetable and fruits among the pregnant women, lactating mothers and children. If we see that in the pandemic COVID period, we have also provided vegetable and mushroom for boost up their immunity. Assessment of Nutri Garden suggests a positive change on several general indications among the women and children up to tune of 20 to 25%. And inclusion of mushroom in the regular diet of the malnourished children and pregnant women resulted in enhanced supplementation in amount of protein and micronutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. The supplementation of mushroom has resulted in fulfillment of approximately 12% protein, 22% niacin, vitamin B, magnesium, and 36% zinc toward recommended dietary allowances. And we have also 2 community registration. So CRS-led nutritional awareness campaign resulted in significant improvement in knowledge, attitude, and practice in various lifestyles related to diet. In last September month, we have already celebrated as a Poshan month. So in these month, we have also used our Kisan Gyan Rath as a Poshan Rath. The use of green leafy vegetable mushroom, moringa in Delhi. Moringa is मेनली ऑल ऑफ नो रोल ऑफ मोरिंगा, सहजन की पत्ती का हम सब लोग सभी महत्व जानते हैं। इन डेली डाइट हैज बीन इंक्रीज टू द ट्यून ऑफ 10 to 15%. Awareness on hygienic food, safe drinking water, care during diarrhea, anemia management has enhanced up to 10 to 20% through awareness campaign. And this model has been adopted by government of Bihar in 18,000 Anganwadi Kendra, which has land resources on their own. And we have seen that in each Anganwadi Kendra, we have produced 300 to 400 kg mushroom, as well as in each last 6 months in pandemic period, each produced more than 10,000 kgs vegetables and moringa fruits, that costing more than 20 lakhs rupees during pandemic period. So we have further prospects. KVK and Anganwadi centers are present across the country, and this model has huge potential for outscaling. And this AK80 model, apni kyari apni thali model, can be easily customized according to region, and this can be adopted in midday meal scheme. So this is the main model, and I hope this may be sustained. And besides this, we have also during pandemic COVID period, we have our YouTube channel, and in this channel more than 3 crore viewers, but and 3.13 lakh subscriber, and we have all the video contents, technical as well as success stories. And during pandemic period, 65 lakhs persons joined in YouTube channel, and 65,000 subscribed during pandemic period. So I think this model may be replicated in national level, upscale national level. Thank you, Ranji.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sohane. And I would also like to, at this point, address the 532 participants of the 67th Scotch Summit who are attending this panel live, and say to each and every one of you that you are an equal and integral part of India's development policy and progressive governance dialogue. Thank you very much for being here.
आजादी के 73 वर्षों बाद भी गर्भवती माताओं, शिशुओं, बच्चों और किशोरियों में कुपोषण की समस्या व्याप्त रहना एक गंभीर विषय है। बिहार कृषि विश्वविद्यालय सबौर और बिहार सरकार के एकीकृत बाल विकास सेवा यानी ICDS का एक साझा प्रयास है अपनी क्यारी अपनी थाली परियोजना। इस परियोजना के जरिए ग्रामीण परिवारों को संतुलित आहार लेने के प्रति सजग किया जा रहा है और उन्हें आत्मनिर्भर बनाया जा रहा है। बिहार के 4 जिलों के कृषि विज्ञान केंद्रों पूर्णिया, खगड़िया, नालंदा और पटना जिले में बच्चों और गर्भवती महिलाओं को लक्षित कर इस नवाचारी परियोजना को चलाया जा रहा है। परियोजना के तहत पूर्णिया और खगड़िया जिले के गांवों में पोषण वाटिका विकसित करने पर जोर दिया जा रहा है। इसके अंतर्गत घरों के आसपास बेकार पड़े छोटे से भूभाग पर जमीन के अनुपात में फल वृक्ष, बारहमासी साग सब्जी सहित मसाला फसलों को लगाया गया है। अब यह ग्रामीण परिवार अपने दैनिक पौष्टिक साग सब्जी की जरूरत के लिए आत्मनिर्भर होने लगे हैं। पहले की अपेक्षा अब इस परिवार के शिशुओं, बच्चों और धात्री माताओं के सामान्य स्वास्थ्य में बेहतरी देखी जा रही है। इस अभिनव प्रयास की सफलता और लोगों की स्वीकार्यता को देखते हुए अब बिहार सरकार ने 23,000 आंगनबाड़ी केंद्रों पर पोषण वाटिका विकसित करने का निर्णय लिया है। ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में पोषण संवर्धन के लिए मशरूम एक कारगर आहार साबित हो रहा है। नालंदा जिले में विश्वविद्यालय के कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र द्वारा मशरूम उत्पादन एवं इसे दैनिक भोजन में शामिल करने की पहल अपनी क्यारी अपनी थाली परियोजना अंतर्गत की गई। ग्रामीण परिवारों के बीच मशरूम उत्पादन के लिए प्रशिक्षण लगाया गया। साथ ही मशरूम से स्वादिष्ट व्यंजन बनाने की विधियां बताकर उन्हें दैनिक उपयोग में शामिल करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया। पटना जिले के कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र से सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन 91.2 FM लोगों को कुपोषण के प्रति जागरूक कर रहा है। लाइव फोन इन कार्यक्रम से जहां स्थानीय भाषा में लोग पोषण की महत्ता और पोषण वाटिका लगाने के फायदे को समझ रहे हैं, वहीं ज्ञानदेव चाचा और उनकी ज्ञान की बातें नामक एक हास्य और मनोरंजक नाट्य धारावाहिक के जरिए बच्चों में कुपोषण दूर करने, शिशु के लिए मां का पहला गाढ़ा दूध जैसे विषयों पर संदेश दिया जा रहा है।
हमारे कृषि विश्वविद्यालय ने यह जो संकल्प लिया है, वो संकल्प कैसे पूरा होगा कि अपनी क्यारी अपनी थाली, अपनी क्यारी अपनी थैली। वो क्यारी शहर में नहीं बन सकता, वो क्यारी तो प्यारी गांव में ही बन सकता।
पोषण वाटिका घर में बना कर, रंग बिरंगा सब्जी उगा कर, लेना संतुलित आहार, सब मिली स्वस्थ।
अपनी क्यारी अपनी थाली परियोजना, इसकी शुरुआती कामयाबी और लोगों के इसके प्रति सकारात्मक रुझान यह बता रही है कि बिहार से कुपोषण दूर करने में यह एक मील का पत्थर साबित होगा।